Okay. We're live. Let's see what we can do today. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Getting some things set up. Just reload the mag. Oh. Okay, so we thought we'd jump on a bit earlier. Just to ease in. They're just jumping straight into the madness. Yeah, we got, obviously looking at our QQ levels from yesterday. Added VWAP back on there as well. I mean, you can already see today our Gamma 5's holding up really nice through the London session. Already hit a one-day min. Oh, that was in the Asia overnight. Yeah. Good levels. I mean, on our high volume levels, we've got, we could combine all of these together really as a box, as an area. I would imagine it's looking better for the, definitely for the longs today. I would imagine it'll take some serious market upset to sort of sell off. I would imagine we're going to have to go a long way down with a lot of participants and buyers not protecting. I mean, look at the levels we got there, man. It's crazy. Chart does look a bit messy, but it's just because I'm zoomed out. Once we get in the session, we'll clean it up a little bit. DOM's working way smoother today as well. I'm not sure what that was all about yesterday. Strange. $5.10. Okay. So got some liquidity areas down here. Got a lot of buy liquidity there. Oh. We're good. Yeah, reaching down into this liquidity now. Have a little look. Almost getting there. Ooh. Is that going to be absorbed selling? Are they going to be rewarded? No. Wow. We got big news at 3 PM as well. We just hit another huge buy liquidity. Oh no, we flushed for it. Okay, well, these levels mean nothing now. They've been broke. Can't imagine they're going to move much further. Looking now to see if sellers are going to defend this price. So we know that area is strong. Ah, shit. $400. Yeah, so that's strong. So this strong buy delta is literally on a high volume level. Perfectly. Yeah, we should see strong reaction from there if we do get down that far anyway. Yeah, you see sellers defending. See how many plots, how many orders come in then. Interesting. I thought it'd be more than that. Really? Morning, buddy. What am I looking at? I mean, was just explaining that you know, looking like a strong possibility of a buy day, to be honest. You know, definitely in the upward. We've marked out some value area lows and yesterday's value area high, or sorry, Friday's value area high. We've marked out some delta levels. And we've also got, you know, all of this area. Try and push for if we're going to sell off. So I can see on open we might push down aggressively and get stopped here and then a big bounce back up, hopefully. So looking for longs. I'm still going to take shorts if I see them, but ideally there'll just be shorts. There'll be aggressive trailing. But for the long side of things, we can hold out a little bit, I think. Looking a lot stronger on the buy side, that's for sure. Okay, our value areas are slightly moving. Oh. I haven't really used it. I know I should, but I could just kind of mark the levels. I will check it though, to be fair. Let's have a look. Let's generally just have a look at the futures we're on. Okay. Option score very high. We are in a bullish option position environment. Yeah, that makes sense. Volatility score is low. We are in a low volatility environment. Momentum score is very high, so we're in a bullish momentum. Seasonal score is negative reflection environment for the next 5 days. Okay, let's get our man Quinn up, shall we? For God's sake. Inspire me. How'd you do that? Oh yeah, there we go. Hang on, let me just see this first. Yeah. And use and prompt if you want. Futures, give me a full market strategy. That's okay. Yeah, I don't really use Quinn, to be fair. I definitely should. There's some really good prompts you can get as well. I know they're on the they're in the Discord. Jaron's got a couple good ones as well. Let's have a play around. I mean, we just don't know right now. Yeah, could be playing the consolidation. I mean, I can't directly do that, I don't think, but I can leave it on this screen for a few moments if you wish to examine. But yeah, buyers definitely defending that lower area, which is nice. Don't see why though. Let's pull a volume profile across here. Okay. Strong buy delta. Okay. I can see us going higher today. I mean, look, Quinn knows more than me, but I can definitely see it going. I don't know, man. If it goes down, I think it's going to have to be ridiculously aggressive, but I think we come down into the area we was just talking about, around this area, and just fly back up. I can't see it going all the way through. Maybe get multiple retests, but I still think we're going to go through the roof. We'll see in 7 minutes. I am knackered today as well. I'm not feeling as sharp as yesterday, that's for sure. Okay, coming up to that liquidity area. Crazy how you can actually see it with the correct tools. I do think that's pretty cool. Instant reaction when you get to that level. Even if it still goes on, it's still cool to see. Do you know what I mean? It's just mad when you see them reactions. You know, into a sell delta as well from earlier with trap buyers. Yeah, look at the sell delta there. It's crazy. Perfect for the tick. Value area keeps shifting as well. Good. value area low of the overnight is shifting higher. Everything's looking in the upwards trajectory. Yeah, I can see a fall down first. Has anyone taken any trades this morning at all? Could have took some nice ones off the gamma this morning. No, sorry, that'd have been the overnight, my bad. That was Asia. Yeah. I think we rebalance Asia back down and then carry on trajectory upwards, personally. Maybe even come down to our, I reckon we fly through the high volume level and then we reject off of the put support and below, maybe even gamma 9. As you can see, we've already reacted there. Tried 2 times to push through that and it's not been accepted. I can't see us just going straight up. But we got some good levels to work from today, which is, I mean, even if you're just using volume profile, you got some good levels, strong levels. What is your entry signal? Just big trade? No. Entry yeah, I suppose I look for I don't know. I mean, here would probably be a decent example, I suppose, if we could just get some could kind of take it from there, but obviously, you know, we can see we've got an area that is not being broken up here. We've had a failed breakout here, come up, retest, loads of absorption, and then a breakaway, you know, and then a retest, more absorption, sell imbalance. I mean, this would have been a very nice short back down to sort of value area low and, you know, down even further, really. But if we was taking the entire profile, you know, it'd be value area low. You know, calling it there sort of thing. That's, you know, pretty good. But yeah, I do like to I like to see absorption or exhaustion. You know, it just gives you such a good range to go, well, you know, here, you know, hundreds of contracts have come in and price is, well, gone the other way, really. And eventually then really gone the other way. So I like to see that. It's just, it gives you a lot more confidence in the trade and allows you to have a nice tight stop loss. You know, really you would probably put your stop above here, but you don't need to. I mean, if we break through here, you've got all of these now being rewarded and going to be protecting that level. So, you know, I would enter down probably here and then just have a really tight stop here. If we break that, then so be it. Do you know what I mean? It's $20, $30 stop loss at the most, you know, for a potential $100 win. You know, multiple confluences that, you know, buyers are failing. You know, huge amount of buyers failing here. Tried again, buyers failing right at the bottom of that. There's a few different ways, yeah, but obviously... Oh shit, I didn't even have... Sorry boys, I didn't even have it on the screen. What I was saying was obviously the, you know, the absorption of the buyers in this area. And then the retest. Failed, and then pushed down. Do you know what I mean? You can have a nice tight stop loss. Yeah, but just obviously, yeah, going back to, like, you know, looking at these sensitive levels and then finding them sorts of absorption or exhaustion in them areas with DeepCharts and the DOM, looking for, you know, liquidity and reaction zones, and just not really trying to predict what's going to happen, because obviously, you know, VP just alone, it can, you're kind of waiting for it to get near a level. You know, you have your entry there ready to go when it hits that level, but then, you know, price can sometimes just burst straight through it. So instead of trying to predict what's going to happen, I'd rather, you know, now I'm in the mindset of reacting. So we wait for price to get to certain areas and then we react from what happens within them areas, like the absorption, or, you know, just sort of clear head. Like even here, you know, we can clearly see that there's something going on here, so we can, you know, pull a profile from the top to the bottom. You know, you can clearly see the strong buy delta there. Look at that, literally like on the wick, on the bottom of the candle. You know, you could mark this area and use this as a protection level for buyers, and you've also got a buy imbalance there as well. So, you know, just had another one produced. Just little things like that. Obviously, early in the session, you know, it's not the ideal time to use it, of course, but you know, when things smooth out a little bit, it's just trying to get as much information to give you as much confidence, because I feel like sometimes you go into a trade and you're just hoping that it's going to work rather than going, well, everything lined up. If it doesn't work, then, you know, it is what it is. It just takes that sting out of the loss. Small or big, it's just that, you know, you move your stop loss too early because you're nervous, and you know, you get tapped out, break even, and then it goes to full TP and beyond, and you think, oh, like, it kind of removes that a little bit. Like even here, look, you know, look at the absorption. It's early in the session, so, you know, it could easily just burst through that. But, I mean, absorption on literally the tip of the wick. That's a very strong confluence. But a sell delta underneath. So retest into this box later on in the session. If this, you know, happened in another half hour, 40 minutes time, would be a, you know, a really decent sell opportunity back down. Targeting isn't the greatest, but you could at least get out down here. But I look at the reaction we get on these areas, especially when there's absorption. There's so much confidence, everyone's getting in. And then look, we finally break through. And 2 sell imbalances now. Okay, it's not as noisy as I thought, so let's bring our big trades down a little bit, see if we can catch a little bit more information. Still not very... Oh. That's better. But yeah, I do think, you know, big trades. I did have bubbles, but all I'm looking for now is quantity. I want to see how much effort is in that area, how many contracts have been aggregated together. You know, like here, 248, and then an instant. I mean, it's different because it's on the open, obviously, but, you know, it just proves how many passive buyers were sitting there when they entered these contracts and just got swallowed and reversed instantly. Things like that. Yo. Seeing some new people, I believe. Nice to see. Welcome, everyone. Yeah. We're looking now. We're looking good. Coming down into our core resistance. So this would be an interesting reaction. I think we push further down. We're going to get some reactions, but... yeah. This should be... we've got some good levels today. I'm happy, actually. Let's sort out... we're going to have to do that in the 1 minute. Cool. We won't pull the live VP across right now just because it's already messy enough on the chart. Let's leave that for a bit. We got good levels. We don't need that right now. Do you use footprint? Not really, man. I think it's... I was explaining this yesterday, but I think it's, for me personally, I feel like it's more of an ES thing. Yeah, it's too noisy on the on NQ. But on ES, I would probably use that rather than big trades, personally. It looks way better on ES. But yeah, like now looking in hindsight, what a great trade this was as such. Yeah, absorption at the top, push through, took a, you know, probably off of this sell imbalance just because we knew we broke below perfect retest. You know, we're up, you know, quite a few ticks right now. Little things like that, you know, that's what we want to see. I mean, ideally, you'd have probably took a wider stop loss and gone break even short, but, you know, in this instance, you could have took a, you know, 30 tick stop loss and be trailing heavy right now, you know, up 150 odd ticks. Oh yeah, DeepDOM's here, buddy. We got her. It definitely gets laggy once market opens, so that must have been what was going on yesterday, so at least we've cleared that up. not the laptop or anything. Yeah, the DeepDOM, buddy, that is. That's just what, yeah. But you can already see iceberg orders coming in now. Back in. They're getting ready for a big push up, I would say. This is what I'm feeling like a long day. We've literally tapped call resistance on the QQQ perfectly. Look at that, literally to the tick. That has hit it spot on. I still think we might go down. We'll see. Yeah, it does look good, man. I mean, I can't say I know how to use it correctly yet. I'm just using it just for looking where liquidity and icebergs are, but I'm still going through the boot camp at the minute. Just a bit tired today, so I didn't watch any of last week's before I did. I keep missing the live ones. Yeah, we've bounced perfectly off call resistance, literally to the tick. That is crazy. 453. Yeah, it is a good bit of kit though. I'm glad I got it, and I got it for lifetime as well. Let's see if we push through now. This is literally on call resistance. It should be aggressive, but we've got our area from the composite drawn out as well. So we're going into that area now, but you know, this is what I'm saying. I feel like we've got multiple levels we need to break before. Yeah, I just don't see it. I don't see the sell-off happening today. I feel we're going strong to the long position. Maybe it ranges, I don't know, but it's got a lot to go through. Before we get down there, you know, we got yesterday's and Friday's value area low and value area high. You know. Yeah, not wanting to go through call resistance, that's for sure. Going on with the gamma levels, where are they gone? They've actually disappeared at the minute, mate. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're all there, buddy. Okay, we've tapped into call resistance now. But rejecting every time. There's so much liquidity there, it's ridiculous. Looking at the heat map, we've got an iceberg order pretty much right above it. This is crazy. Let me turn the light on. Is that better? Looking a bit dark. You got MacBook or PC? PC for me, buddy. I don't. Or you can use DeepCharts on PC, but it's a lot of ag. You have to all heavy through call resistance there. Wow. Let me sort this light out. I can't trade like that, boys. I'm going to have to turn that off. Sorry. Should be a little bit better. Everyone see and hear me okay, yeah? Yeah, this is the area I was really looking into. So this area I've marked out. So this is yesterday's value area high of the regular trading hour session, so New York, and Friday. Sorry, yesterday's value area low and Friday's value area high. Look at the absorption. Oh, it's very tempting to take a trade then as well. I'm glad I didn't. Okay, we're now tapping into yesterday's value area low as well. But yeah, no, PC for me. Sorry, going back to that. Yeah, I know people do use MacBook. Oh, look at that, man. I should have took the trade, shouldn't I? Oh, I called it as well. You bastard. That was a beauty. I was going to enter here and have my stop loss below. See what happens. It's too early. I've got to stay off. I've got to stay off. We've still got 20 odd minutes yet till I should be trading, until we see something really clean. Unless we see something really clean, sorry. Yeah, perfect bounce off of yesterday's value area low. That was beautiful. If he was just taking a 1-to-1 there, that was clean. I've got MacBook. Yeah, I know you can use it. You just have to use a virtual machine inside. Want DeepCharts have a great price level, but no clear. It's punched. But yeah, it's hard, man. I know it is a bit of an investment, but I've got it now, and I managed to get all the good deals and stuff, so it's not too bad for me. But yeah, it is pricey. But it does work. It's not like you're buying it hoping that it does something, because it does really work. Like, it's good stuff, man. Okay, we're getting multiple absorption on the sellers here, so there's probably some sort of strong delta. Yeah, literally on the level, which would indicate going further down, to be fair. I could take a short, but I'm not going to. It's just too easy to get wicked out. What's the cost now compared to before? I don't know, mate, because obviously I've got a long subscription with it, but I know it's a lot dearer than when I bought it. I got it for like a few $100 for 6 months, I think. I think it works out about 100. I think it's about $100 a month at the minute, I think, or £100. I can't remember. I worked it out a little while ago. Heard and seen a lot of negativity on it. Glad you find it useful, though. We'll look into grabbing it. Oh yeah, I mean, there's always going to be. I think it's not. I don't think it's negativity and people saying it don't work. It's more. I don't really know. It's more. People are so ingrained in using other software, which is a lot cheaper. Obviously, and they've maybe tried it and they can't get on with it, so it's more just stuff like that. But there's once you go through the boot camps and stuff, which obviously cost a lot more, I think that's where it gets. I mean, I remember when I first loaded up, I didn't have a clue what to do. I was like, I don't know what to do. I literally don't know what to do. It was just so alien. But once you watch the boot camps and you watch Fabio break down some things in the first boot camp, and then obviously we're going through the second one right now with the DeepDOM, which is good as well. It kind of opens you up a little bit. Yeah, we missed an amazing trade there. I'm a bit pissed off about that. But it's not my time to trade yet, and I'm still tempted to get in. Some of the other boys were mentioning it. ATAS, I think, and whatever Kai Capital uses. I keep forgetting the name of the software, but I think it comes free with Lucid, or it comes free with certain prop firms. That's meant to be, you got big trades and stuff, and then you also get level 2 data for free pretty much with it as well, which is, obviously a big bonus, because that can cost a lot of money. Okay, we could get in on this, but let's just hold out. Let's wait. Let's not get too into it yet. But yeah, this would be a decent place to buy as such. keeping risk small, protecting just below. But I'm not going to trade yet. We're going to wait. Let's wait for something clean like yesterday. We was patient yesterday, and we had one. Well, we called out a 1 to 10, which pretty much was what we've done today as well. But you know, we ended up catching half of it a little bit later on. Thanks, man. But you can see how strong these buying balances is. Do you know what I mean? Perfectly tapped back into them. We're already back up to the level, so we should see some aggressiveness at the top now once we deal with this area. Should see some big trades coming in. But yeah, we're going back up into point of control now. Let's have a little look on this chart. You can see the entry that I was going on about. Sorry, a minute ago I was on the wrong chart again. You know, it was a decent buy position there. Entry would have been around here. Stop loss just below a few ticks. I'd have probably risk 30 on that just to round it off. You know, we're already up there. Already at a 1 to 2. Would have been break even. Yeah, the original was that. That was perfect. Absorption. As soon as we broke back up above, enter. Stop loss below. That'd have been an instant, pretty much instant break even. And we'd still be running. If I had reacted a bit better. Yeah, that'd have been nice, man. That's crazy. We probably would have got a bit scared here, but we got some nice levels. Yeah, we've come down perfect. We you know, I said this earlier, I thought we was going to wick down into this area. What's going on with gamma levels today? Oh, they seem to be messing up. They're playing up today. So we're on the overnight's POC now. Anyone taking any trades today? Oh, mate, these are great trades. Look at the signal coming from the buying balance, man. Yeah, mainly US, buddy. I'll have a look in New York. Sometimes I'll build a little buffer for the New York session, but I like playing consolidation in the London. Really like it. You get some really clean consolidation. I took the first long. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, I'm gutted I missed that, to be honest. I'm still thinking about taking a long, but we're at the top of the session now, and I know I'll end up buying the top. I've missed it 4 times. Let's see if we break out. Alright, I don't know what's going on with these gamma levels. They're not working. Oh, you're joking. Let's see if that changes. Okay, we got some levels come back up. I'm not sure what's going on. Still wanting to push higher. This is an amazing trade from the bottom. Should have took that, man. That was well worth the risk. That's a crazy trade. Damn, I've done it again. I did this yesterday. Look at that. Perfectly marked that area as well, man. This is crazy. Right, we got 900 orders. We got 900 callers resting liquidity at 2590. Jeez. That's not going to get filled. That's definitely manipulation. It's ridiculous. Now look, we're seeing the absorption on the top. See if it's going to break through. It's going to be fast. Just tapped into yesterday's point of control and the overnight's value area high. Can't believe I missed this trade, man. What the fuck? Unbelievable. Alright, let's see what happens if we get up to this area. See if these orders actually fill. There's no way. That will definitely disappear, surely. Trying to scare everyone. No, that's alright, mate. It's just a gaming laptop, buddy. I've just upgraded, obviously RAM, extra storage and stuff. Yeah, they're scaring, making everyone scared by that liquidity they're sitting. That's ridiculous. Yeah, nothing too crazy, mate. I mean, it's obviously an extremely powerful PC, but it's about 4 years old. It's a HP Omen. Yeah, look at that. See if it's going to crash now. Yeah, I mean, ideally I'd prefer to have a PC, but it's just I'm just using laptop with 2 portable monitors at the moment, just until I get a better desk. This one's okay, but it's not the greatest, but it's perfectly fine for now. Them orders are still there. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. see what the test looks like inside this box. Could take a short here. Broke that area straight away. No, I'm not confident. I don't want to be a part of that when they're fighting. See if we can get up and touch this 900 orders that are sitting up there at 590. Yeah, we broke that imbalance now. Crazy. Let's see if he's going to touch it. Oh, wow. We got news in 3 minutes. I forgot about that as well. Keep your eyes out on that, boys. Got red folder and orange folder at the same time. So let's definitely not be trading right now. 891 buyer contracts just come in. Jesus. Keeping the finger off the trigger. The orders were filled. That's crazy. That's the most I've ever seen. Oh, it's so tempting to short here. So tempting. I'm not going to do it. Let's wait for the news. Let's see what happens with this news yet. Oh, this is going to get interesting. If they break this area. Ooh. 10 seconds. You're going to see something crazy happen here, I think. Yeah, this is going to go mental. You ready, boys? Let's see what's going to happen here. What's everyone's predictions? It's going to fly one way, I would imagine. As soon as these buyers if they don't get rewarded, their stop loss is probably going to be down here somewhere. Maybe even here. I don't know. Same participant is just bringing in loads of ice, like the iceberg order for ages. Been building that position. Oh, it's scary. Look at that absorption. 100 contracts. Oh, it's going to break. Oh. Here she goes. Let's see if buyers are going to protect. If it does, it's going to shoot straight back up. Come on. Ooh. CV, I know, man. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what to do. I'm in such a weird position. It's looking like it's going to pop in it, but if it does, it's going to be so aggressive. That's what I mean. That's a good buy-in balance as well. I like that. Just want to see who wins the fight. I'm not getting in. If we break the zone, I'd rather catch a decent pullback in either direction. But I think he's going to go crazy. Just don't want to be a part of this consolidation. I think he's going to be extremely aggressive. I still think I'm still pushing long though. Obviously, yeah. From the first one we called, this was the area I marked, and we're in it perfectly. So that was the true trade of the day, from bottom to the top of the range. That was a beauty. And then I would have been out now and waiting for a break again, break and a retest. We've got so much liquidity up the top though. The sellers are really trying to defend. There's loads up there. Ooh. CVD's going up, boys. Here we go. If we can get a nice aggressive push through here with a buy and balance come in on these trades, big trades, this would be decent. But it's just tapping into the liquidity on the DOM and just sinking. We've got another 500 orders now been put in on the DOM as well. At 6:30. Just need to break out of this, level. Oof. A couple more minutes and the news should start to affect. I don't know what to do. Oh, that's not good. If you want to see it burst through that sell imbalance, that would be a strong buy signal. Now I'm worried about the liquidity. We got up there another 500 contracts. It's not good. I'm going to be good. I'm not entering until we break aggressively as well. I want to see a clear direction. I'd rather a clear direction and a wider stop loss than try and get in on this consolidation and keep getting tapped out for a small stop loss. We don't do that no more. Especially copy trading the 5 accounts as well. Alright, we've got some iceberg sells coming in now. CVD is still going up. Still that level. Look how strong that level is. Gee. That's crazy. How's that? No. Was it like 900 contracts coming there? That is ridiculous. That's the most I've ever seen. I've never seen that amount. That's crazy. It can't do this forever. This is crazy. It's going to break. $629. This level here is stacked. You ready? It hasn't filled. Here we go. Oh, that's another 1,000 just come in. Wow. Alright, let's see if we can get a nice pullback now. We'll take an entry. Coming up to our gamma levels. Five two. Here we go. There we go. This is what we want. Let's catch a reload with everyone else. Come on. I want to see this level be protected and move away. Oh, I don't like it. Yeah, good choice. I didn't get in that. I don't like that. I didn't like the reaction. Alright, sellers are dominating now. This is an interesting level though. This hasn't been broken yet either. Tapped it. Right, absorption is good. Just don't trust it now. We got that sell imbalance and we got this liquidity underneath that I think wants to get filled. It's hard because we're so high. Should be playing mean reversion really. I'm trying to play a breakout. It's just not breaking. If that sell imbalance weren't there, this would be a completely... I'd already be in. It's just ruined my stop loss, that's the problem. Every time. CVDs, oh no. This was nice. Good absorption, right? That sell imbalance is broken now. Oh, you fucker. That's such a shame. If that sell imbalance wasn't there, that was perfect. You bastard. Ooh. This is like a Monday session, man. This is shit. How sensitive it is when we get these when they get the big sellers come in, man. What do you reckon, lads? What's the plan? I'm trying to sit on my hands for a minute. $106. Damn. 106 passive orders just come in. Clean absorption as well. Everything's long positive. IVB's already shown protection level on the 5 minute and on this range. Last 5 days have been higher, you know, higher composite profiles. All deltas shining up. It's just not popping. I'm so glad I sat on my hands now on that one. I mean, I would have got out on the absorption at the top anyway, but even still. Right, so this green line we know. Yeah, I was going to say there's loads of liquidity waiting there for us anyway. So this was the like 1,000 contracts area. Straight through. Wow. Okay. Just literally bouncing off of the overnight's value very high as well. CVD's not really going down. Oh, there we go. Eating that liquidity, that's crazy. Alright, this is the last area really, and then after that we should, well, buyers should be protecting now if they're going to carry on the going up. It's just not very clean. Like, I feel like you're going to get wicked out. Whoa. Right, this is the, yeah, this is the buyer protection level. We should see something happen here. Still going down. Still going. Sellers are in control. Okay. This is crazy. What's this level gonna be? Too wide. I still want a long. Now if we break through this next level, I'm going to try and take a short, but at the minute I want to take a long, and this is a good area. Okay. Sellers protect. I've got FOMO. Bad. Damn. The long was good, man. Again. I don't know what's up with me today. I've missed out on 3 really good trades. I'm missing them every time. Perfect. That was the entry there. Is anyone taking these trades? Is it just me that's being a bit of a pussy? Fuck it, let's get in here. Let's take this trade. Small stop loss. I can handle losing this one. Can at least have a win up here. We can handle a small loss. Take $40. Give it some breathing room. Come on, buyers, push. Give me something. We'll take up to the bottom of this liquidity. There's trap buyers there. You shouldn't see this fail. I'm going to play it safe. Right on the bottom of this liquidity now on the map, on the heat map. Should see buyers protect. If not, it's going to fall back through anyway. Don't want to be challenging. 90 is fine. See, that's probably going to fail, I think. Yeah, that's fine. Too tight. Just so slow. Just having one of them days. This is crazy. Yeah, that was a good call. So much buy on the DeepDOM as well. There's loads, but it's just not reacting. It's just halting and then going down. Maybe it's just going to drop off. Oh, that's better. A lot of orders just come in then. Oh, we're getting busy now. This is better. Just need a direction. In between levels as well. So it's like, you know, I don't know if these are supporting or we're just going to fall through and resist them. Like, it's just an awkward place for me to be trading right now. If it was just one account, I wouldn't care, but I don't want to trade like that. I want to trade clean. I want every trade to be a good one, whether it's a loss or a win. Alright, so we're breaking back above. But every time we get up here, there's just loads of liquidity sitting there waiting. That's ridiculous. Right, buyers are protecting. I just got to sit on my hands, man. Yeah, we're good. This is a dead session. I need to check the Discord, man. See if anyone's talking. See what people are saying in NQ. Whoa! Oh, I thought my chair just broke. Jesus. Just trying to get some info in the DeepCharts Discord to see if anyone has any knowledge on what's going on. We got some people replying now. Let's see what happens. Ooh, absorption in the exact same place as before. Oh, you're joking. Is that what it was? Surely not. Let's see if the symbol rollover was the problem. No. Alright, cool. It's not that. I got worried then. That wouldn't. That would have been funny. Has anyone taken any trades in this horrible area? I mean, I wouldn't suggest it, but I'm pretty proud of myself actually. Yeah, I haven't actually I haven't been taken out with all this mess. We've missed some good trades, don't get me wrong, but this is a good area for a very tight stop loss buy, but it's just, I don't know. Just need to see something happen. Okay, this is better. Again, though, there's just loads of liquidity sitting straight above, just ready to smash it back down. Well, that's looking good.
Hello? You okay? What's wrong? What did he do? What did he do?
Oh, okay.
What's that about? What are you on about?
There's a fucking barbecue by the bin store.
Is there?
God knows.
Because it was dark in here earlier when the cloud come over, so I needed a bit of light for the camera.
I'm just not happy with this. There's no aggression.
Yeah.
She's not having
If she's, yeah. If it's defrosted, you have to cut the fishy up though.
It's all on the side. £2 for £1.50, lads. I'm not happy about this. Yeah. I might have to sharpen the knives. Yeah, I'm not interested in this range. We'll see what happens on the 4 o'clock. I'll probably take off for a few hours, get back on here 6, 7 o'clock. Because this ain't no good. I'm just going to end up losing money. Or winning in a small amount. It's not worth it. Has anyone pulled any profits today? Alright, we've got buyers coming in now. This is looking better. I'm not interested. I want to be wrong or right fast, so I'm not interested in entering right now. I want to see a clean push away. We need to break out. We've got our gamma levels just above as well, which yeah, we could see a reaction from, but this is just no good right now, unfortunately. Looking at these, yeah, our gamma 3 and 2. One day max is higher, so if we can break out, catch a retest in the PM maybe for a power hour, or just stay away from it and watch it rebalance. Yeah, this ain't no good, man. This is crap. Let's see what's going on. Oh, that is on 40. Wow. Oh dear, there's still nothing showing.
Does it look alright? Did you chop the fish right up? Yeah, I think she gets a bit funny about it. So
Yeah, mix it all in with it.
should just eat it then, hopefully. Oh, they've done it, have they? You put an egg in there.
How was work? Good. Nah, this is crap. This ain't no good, is it? I'm extremely confident in the gamma levels though, boys. Do you know what I mean? So for the next sessions, I'm going to really start to trust them a lot more. I mean, that one earlier, that was, where was it? This was just perfect. That was the trade of the week. For, well, 2 days in, but you know, that was beautiful. Multiple buy-in balances, you know, perfect stop. I wouldn't even got taken out on the trail. It was perfect. Yeah, really happy with that. Really starting to trust MenthorQ.
You streaming?
Huh? Well, no.
You scared?
But yeah, happy with that.
Thanks.
Damn, son, this is a boring session. It's even worse. I keep repeating it, but it's just because I missed that original 2 trades I missed. Unbelievable. Two opportunities to get in, and I missed both of them. Called it at the beginning of the session. That was exactly where I wanted to enter. I was willing to take the entry without even seeing the absorption. I was that confident that that was going to be our rebound area to the upside. I didn't take it, and it would have been like a 1 to 20. Like, I mean, if you had held it that long, it was a ridiculous amount. One micro, that would have been like $200-300, man. Easy. $30 risk. That was being generous. Could have even had it tighter. Even the DOM's going sideways. The pressure's on the upside though. We'll wait till 4 o'clock, see if anything comes in. Let's give Kai a text, see if he's had any luck today, or if anyone's watching Kai as well. Oh, he's online. Oh, this is better. This is the first breakout as such, if we're going to hold. Here we go. Every time I say here we go, it fucking stops. I'm going to give it another 5, 6, or maybe 10 minutes. If nothing happens on the hour candle, I'm going to pop off, grab some food and chill out for a bit because my eyes are starting to get sore now. And if the market's liven up, I'll jump back on. So I'm a bit disappointed in today. Oh, it's getting in it. It's getting some energy on the DOM. Oh, this would be where it'll break if it's going to break. Yeah, that's good. Jesus, literally hit that liquidity. Not even there. I should get a retest. How long we got? 1 minute 15. Should get a retest on this liquidity. Look how much is up there, just right waiting to go. Oh no. Ah. Here we go. There, look at that. Okay. Alright, we broke these levels now. We didn't really get much reaction from them either. So happy to call them filled. Alright, we should see, come on, this is the hour candle, we should see something now. Surely. Alright, we're coming up to our gamma levels as well. So see what the reaction is off that. If we can push through that nicely, then that brings the confidence up a little bit. Got an iceberg order coming in on the sell side as well. Nah, guys, this ain't a bit of me. There's no point in watching this. This is getting boring now. Literally, I mean, failed breakout of such absorption at the top, straight back down. This is... Quinn was right. I mean, it's a dodgy range, I wouldn't, you know, but... I'm going to check back in an hour or two, see what's going on. See if we can catch something later, but yeah, I'm not interested in this. I'm trying to push for the long, and it's just not happening, and I know I'm going to catch a short, and that's going to be the time it's going to break out, and it's going to annoy me, and I mean, the risk to rewards it's not even great. I want to find something pretty decent, a good swing. There's just nothing. It's just an absolute mess. So I'm going to call it there, boys. I'm going to go and spend some evening with the dog and the missus, and I'll keep the chart open. Hit me up, tag me in the Discord if anything happens in the next sort of hour, because I'm going to be making some food. But just ping me in the Discord if anything happens, and I'll jump back on. But yeah, I'm gonna call it there for a bit. Let the eyes have a break. But yeah, nice one, lads. I will hopefully see you in a little while.